Play, playing now.
Playing chị An là play music.
Okay, let's go. I hope you like it, guys.
Let's go.
Yeah, let's
Father.
Who knows how long I've loved you? You know I love you still. We'll owe it a lonely lifetime. If you want me to, I will.
Wow, very good.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, I like your glasses.
Oh, thank you. I like yours too.
Ah, where are you from?
Germany.
Oh, Germany, nice.
Yes. Where are you from?
I'm from, can you guess?
Indonesia.
Ah, you're right. How did you know that?
Really?
Yeah, really. How did you know?
I don't know.
Oh,
I'm just.
yeah, you're right.
Okay, nice.
Okay, what is your name?
Jelena.
Angelina?
Jelena.
Jelena, nice.
Yes. What's your name?
My name is Habibie.
Habib.
I know it.
Oh, nice
That's-
to meet you, Habib.
Yeah, that's Arabic name, I know. The means is lover, honey, right?
Yes. But it's okay. I like it.
Yeah. Thank you. It's funny for you.
A little bit. But
Why?
like it.
Why?
Because me and my friends, when we see, we say, "Hey, Habibi, was geht?"
Oh. Okay, I see.
Yeah.
Nice.
Do you sing and play?
Ah, yeah, I sing with my guitar. You wanna
Do you
hear?
want to play?
Yeah. You wanna hear?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Wait. This Justin Bieber song. Anyway.
Oh, nice.
1, 2. My mama don't like you. She likes everyone. And I never like her. Me, they always wrong. I'm still going in my job, and I see us going nowhere, no. I'm better sleeping on my own, 'cause if you like the way you look that much, baby, you should go and love yourself. And if you think that I'm still holding on something, you should go and love yourself.
It was good.
Really? You're lying.
Yes,
You're lying.
really.
I know.
It was good.
Ah, no, you're lying.
Very good. Now I'm not.
It's
lying,
bad.
I swear. Lala.
1 to 10. 10. Which?
11.
Oh my
Really?
god. You're
It was
so
very
cute.
good.
Thank you so much, actor.
You're welcome.
So Jelena,
Mhm.
do you have Instagram?
Yes, I have.
Can I get your Instagram?
You want? Oh, yes.
Okay.
Wait.
Thank you so much.
I'm writing.
Okay.
Orang mun kieu mah tuh.
Napa tuh?
Nyevit.
Hello?
Oh, yang satu.
Mana ruang gereja? Gereja.
Hi.
Hola.
Hello.
Korea. Hello.
Do you speak English, guys?
Yeah. Yes.
Ah, nice, nice. How are you?
Good. And you?
Yeah, great. What are you doing on ometv? I mean,
We are just bored. Yeah, we don't know what
just
to do.
bored.
Get it?
Ah, nice, nice. Can I make you happy with my sing?
Yeah, of course.
I can sing for you guys. You wanna hear?
Yeah.
But before I sing, what is your name, both of you?
I'm Alexandra, and she's Anna.
Ah, Anna and Alexandra. Nice name.
Thanks.
Okay,
And you?
let's go.
You can go
My
for
name.
just Sashka.
No.
It's easy.
What?
Sashka.
No. Don't hear her.
My name is Habibie.
Don't hear her. Викаш, че се цее едно дада.
Научи сега.
What you say? My name is Habibie. Anyway, you hear me?
Habibi.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's funny for you guys.
That in Arab means I love
Yeah,
you.
yeah. I know. That's Arabic name.
Of course he knows. Of course he knows.
Okay, let's go. Let me sing for you. But guys, I'm sorry if my voice is bad.
Don't worry.
Where'd you wanna go? How much you wanna risk? I'm not looking for somebody with some superhuman gait, some superhero, some fairy tale place, something I can turn to, somebody I can kiss. I want something just like this. Oh, I want something just like this. I want something just like this.
That was amazing.
Thank you. And where are you right now?
So,
That's your
Bulgaria.
no, I mean that's your room at home.
No,
I'm on my
grandma.
grandma's house.
Ah, okay, I see. What time is it there?
It's a. Can you see?
Ah,
It's
Yeah.
almost 11 p.m.
and in here it's 3 a.m. It's so late for me.
Защо мислиш?
Защото гледаш дестинацията е Корея.
What you
Where are
say?
you from?
I don't understand. I'm from Indonesia. No?
Откъде?
Indonesia.
Indonesia. Ah, you know?
I know.
How old are you?
Що се Say is the perfect mix. Can you guess our age?
Okay. I guess you guys were 17. I'm wrong?
Well, she's 16.
I'm 16
Okay.
and she's 14.
Ah, younger.
You?
Younger.
Much younger.
You?
And I'm 19.
Oh.
Yeah. 17, 19, yes.
Because
But do you have Instagram?
да го напиша.
Добре, напишете.
And that's my
Yeah.
Instagram.
Okay. Wait.
Скриншот. Добре.
Okay.
Снимай го. Un momento, por favor.
What you say? I didn't understand.
She said in Spanish.
Spanish.
One more.
¿Cuántos años tienes?
Ow. 16. Kok kamu sih begini?
You guys so bonita.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah.
This one?
Yeah, that's my Instagram. Thank you.
I don't know if you can see.
I will follow you later because we're on my phone right
Yeah,
now.
yeah, okay. What season is it there?
Now it's summer, but
The
Summer?
beginning of the autumn.
yeah, beginning of autumn. Summer,
The beginning of the autumn.
Yeah, okay. Okay, guys,
okay.
I gotta go. Yeah,
Thank you too.
You're welcome.
thanks for the time. Goodbye.
Bye.
Have a good night. Hi.
Hi.
Hi. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. How are you doing?
I'm great too. Where are you from?
I'm from Switzerland. Where are you from?
Swiss. Oh, sweet, nice. I'm from. Can you guess?
Korea.
No. I'm from Indonesia. You know?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
And what is your name? Oh my God, you are so cute.
Thank you so much. My name is Celine. What is your name?
Celine. Yeah.
What is your name?
My name is Habibie.
No joke, Habibie?
Yeah. Yeah,
That's a nice name.
I know the means is honey, right? Lovely.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know it.
That's a nice name.
That's
Oh my
funny
god.
for you?
Huh?
That's funny for you? My name?
No, I don't think it's funny. It's cute.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Okay,
So
what?
no, I wasn't saying anything.
Celine, I wanna sing for you.
Mhm.
You wanna hear?
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
Okay. Wait. But I will see the lyric. Wait a second.
Okay. I'm ready.
Kita pengen. Where are you right now?
In my room.
Your room. Nice.
Mhm. Yeah.
Okay. But I'm sorry if my voice is bad. Okay, Celine?
No. Just keep going.
Okay,
I'm
okay.
really appreciate it.
Okay. Here we go. Who knows how long I've loved you? You know I love you still. We'll love it a lonely lifetime. If you want me to, I will. Love you whenever we're together. Love you when we're apart. And when at last I found you, your song will fill the air. Sing it loud so I can hear you. Make it easy to be near you. For the things I do, endear you to me. You know I will.
That is so good. Your voice sounds like an angel. Oh my god.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Oh my god.
You like
it's
it?
so
You like
good. Oh my god. Thank you so much for singing for me.
Yeah, you're welcome. You're welcome.
Thank you.
You enjoy it?
Do you have? Huh?
What? Do you enjoy
Do you
it?
have-
The song?
Yeah. Of course,
Nice,
of
nice,
course.
Nice. So what you say?
So do you have? Huh?
What you say?
Do you have Instagram?
Instagram. Yes, I have. I will type for
Can
you.
give me? Yeah.
Yeah. Wait. Okay, here we go. That's my Instagram.
Okay, wait.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much for
Yeah.
singing for me.
Yeah,
Thank
you're
you.
welcome.
Have
I
a nice day.
what?
Huh? No. What did you
um,
say? Well, then,
Well,
thank you so much.
yeah.
I really enjoyed it.
Yeah, you're
And have a
welcome.
nice day.
Have a nice day too. Bye.
Thank you.
You're
Bye.
welcome. Bye. Do you speak English?
Yes.
Nice. So, what are you doing, guys? On ometv, I mean.
Well,
Who's crying?
baby. Her sister.
Okay. So, are you sibling or friend?
We are best friends.
A best friend? Nice. Alasia. What is your name?
My name is Ola and she is Victoria.
Ola and Victoria. Nice to meet you. I am Habibie.
Habibie.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh. Nice name.
Thank you. So, can I sing for you? Both of you?
Yes.
Yes. What song do you want, guys? Maybe you have any request?
Czekaj. Nie było jeszcze nie było.
So,
Mogę napisać tu o tym, jeśli tego potrzebuję.
what? Okay.
Wait. No nie.
What song?
You choose, because we don't know.
Okay.
Wait, please.
Do you know Sound? Do you know Sound Mendes? Okay. You know? Really?
Yes.
Okay, I will sing that song. I hope you like it, guys. You hear my guitar?
Yes.
I wanna follow where she goes. I'll think about it and she knows it. I wanna let it take control. And every time we get close, yeah, pulls me in and now taking me kissing. Oh, maybe I should start confessing, yeah. Oh, I'll be shaking, love me when you go crazy. Take on my invitation, baby, there's nothing holding me back. Take me places, dear on my reputation, manipulate my decision. Baby, there's nothing holding me back. Baby, there's nothing holding me back. Baby, there's nothing holding me back. Yeah, thank you.
So beautiful.
You like it? You like it?
Yeah.
Thank you so much. I like your room. I like your room anyway. You hear me? I can't hear you. Yeah. You can hear me? Hello? But I can't hear you. Hi.
Hi.
How you doing, guys?
I'm doing great.
Nice. I like your background, your room.
It's
Thank you. It's mine.
Yeah.
Have a little.
Butterflies?
No.
Oh,
like-
okay. Oh my god, nice.
How is it in?
How's your room?
This?
Huh?
This the band. My favorite band, The Whole.
Wait,
See?
wait.
What's the name of it?
See the
The
Beatles?
umbrella? Is it the umbrella? Is it Bring Me the Horizon?
Yeah, Bring Me the Horizon. You like it?
Yes, I love it. My sister and I just love it. Wait. Which one do you like most?
Medicine, Drown, you know? What about you? Ludens?
I like Follow You and I like Drown. I also like Medicine.
Ah,
This one?
nice. Medicine, yeah.
But
You
I
need
most
a
like
taste
Drown.
of your...
Like, I have no idea what you're talking about.
Oh my god, you are a rocker, girl.
Like, I feel like I'm not involved in this.
Okay, let me sing Bring Me the Horizon song. Can I? Let me sing
Yes.
for you. What song? Medicine or Drawn?
Drown.
Drawn. Hindi ko mahal-drawn sis. Oh, wait, I see the lyric. 1, 2, 3, go. Intro kan? What doesn't kill you make you wish you were dead? Got a hole in my soul going deeper and deeper, and I can't take one more moment of the silence. Make me home to you. I got a hole in my soul going deeper and deeper. It come in waves. I close my eyes, hold my breath and let it bury me. I'm not okay and it's not alright when you drag the rake and let it home again. Who will fix me now? Guide me when I'm down. Save me from myself. Don't let me drown. Who will make me fly? Drown me out alive. Save me from myself. Don't let me drown.
Oh my god, that was so good.
Oh! I thought like I thought you were like just kidding. It was like.
Thank you so
psychic,
much.
like, just you were so good.
Thank you so much, guys. You like it?
Yes, very much. You're really talented.
So
No slack.
what is your name? I don't even know your name, guys.
My name is Bella.
Oh, Bella and
It's hard to pronounce in English, but it's Stina.
Stilnach.
Stina.
Stilnach.
Yep.
Ah,
Good.
Nice name. Nice name. And my
Thank
name
you, thanks.
my name is Habibie. Anyway.
Habibie.
Yeah. Nice to meet you.
Do you have TikTok?
TikTok? Yes, I have.
Yes.
You wanna see?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I will type for you. Wait, that's my TikTok.
Okay, we're gonna follow you.
And Instagram and YouTube too.
Okay, we maybe follow you there too. Man, talk
Yeah.
Habibie.
Bella, I wanna ask you something. Why you like Bring Me the Horizon?
Why I like
Yeah,
it?
the reason, yeah. I mean,
Because
you are the girl.
When I'm angry or when I'm sad or something, I just feel like I can just sing with it. It's like hard music and like.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cute.
Nice, nice, nice.
Is this you? Oh,
What?
is this you?
Is this you?
Yeah, yeah, that's me.
Oh my god!
And maybe I will upload this on TikTok. Are you okay?
Yeah, please do that.
Yeah.
Please.
Okay.
We were so sweet.
Okay. I will, I will.
Oh, okay, thank you so much. You've been so nice.
And you sing it really good. Like
you guys do,
like,
you
you're
guys
so
do.
good.
Thank you so much.
you should go
You're
to
welcome.
like
Like a talent show or
Yeah.
something.
Talent
Really,
show?
you should.
Talent show, yes,
Yeah,
I will,
like
but,
to show your
but not yet. I will, I will.
Okay.
like Eurovision.
Yeah.
But you're really good.
Thank you so much. And you, what? Nitla? Your name? I forgot.
Stina.
Stilna, what's your favorite song?
I don't really know. Like, I have like the same music taste as her, but I didn't know that song that you were singing.
Anyway,
But I have like.
you guys know Ed Sheeran?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, maybe I can sing Ed Sheeran song before I leave, before I go.
Yeah.
Okay?
Please.
Okay. Okay, this song, the title is Castle on the Hill. I'm on my way, driving at 90 and those country lane, and singing to Tiny Dancer, and I miss the way you make me feel, and it's real. We watch the sunset over the castle on the hill. Okay, thank you guys.
Oh my god, you're so talented.
Thank you so much. And what's your Instagram? I will tag you.
Okay. Yeah, thank you. Bye.
No,
Bye.
I mean, what's your Instagram?
Oh, and
Yeah.
she can say hers because I can't take picture on my phone, so I have no Instagram. Like,
Wait. I just have to find it.
Actually, I'm gonna post on YouTube channel and TikTok too. Yeah, also. Okay.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you guys for having
And then,
me.
wait. Which
Okay.
of these two names are you? Which of these two names you're writing is on YouTube?
YouTube, the same, right? Project.
Okay, she's going to follow.
Okay.
Oh, I can't lose it. You're so talented.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, we find you.
Is it this?
Yeah, that's me.
Okay.
Oh, you're so. Ah. Follow on Instagram too.
Yeah, I did it. I did that.
I'm gonna do it
You
too.
guys will be on my YouTube channel actually. Maybe tomorrow I will upload
Oh,
this.
thank you so much.
Yeah. Okay, say hi for my viewers. I'm from Indonesia anyway.
Hi.
Yeah.
Hi.
Thank you so much.
You're
That-
welcome.
Welcome.
Yeah, thank you so much. So guys, I gotta go. Thank you for having
Yeah.
me.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Yeah. Gelap di dalam tanya, menyembunyikan rahasianya, letih kehabisan kata. alasan masih bersama, bukan karena terlanjur lama, tapi rasanya yang masih sama. Seperti sejak pertama jumpa dirimu di kala senja dulu.